Hello children, hope you all are fine and busy to solve the maths problem at home. I, R.K. Tiwari, welcome you all on this online study platform. Today I am just going to teach you a new chapter, that is multiplication. In this chapter, you all will be able to learn more about multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. The short way of finding the sum when all addends are the same is called multiplication. You can see this example: 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2 is equal to 10. Means 2 has been added here 5 times. We write 2 5 times is 10. In short form, we write 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. Each of the numbers 5 and 2 both is called a factor, and the number 10 is called product. Multiplicand, multiplier and product. 5 is multiplicand, 3 is multiplier and 15 is product. The number to be multiplied is called the multiplicand. 5 is the multiplicand. The number by which we multiply is called multiplier. 3 is multiplier. And the result of multiplication is called the product. 15 is product here. Properties of multiplication. Dear children, you can see here the product of a number and 1 is the number itself. For example, 478 multiplied by 1 equal to 478. The product of a number and 0 is 0. For example, 8 multiplied by 0 equal to 0. The product of two numbers does not change even if we change the order of the numbers. For example, you can see 578 multiplied by 2 equal to 1156, or 2 multiplied by 576 equal to 1156. The product of the numbers does not change if we change the groupings. For example, 45 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 4 equal to 6 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 45. That should be 1080 or 1080. Multiplication by one digit number. Dear students, let us see the examples of multiplication without carrying. Multiply 34 by 2. Now let us see the following step. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in column from as shown here. Step 2. Multiply 4 ones by 2 and write 8 under ones column. Step 3. Multiply 3 tens by 2 and write 6 under tens column. So 34 multiplied by 2 is equal to 68. Let us see one more example. 3 digit multiply by 1 digit. Multiply 214 by 2. Again we will follow this step. Step 1. Multiply 4 ones by 2 and write 8 under ones column. Step 2. Multiply 110 by 2 and write 2 under tens column. Step 3. Multiply 2 hundreds by 2 and write 4 under hundreds column. So 214 multiplied by 2 is equal to 428. Multiplication by 10, 100, 1000 and so on. Dear students, carefully see the following rules. Rule 1. To multiply a given number by 10, insert 1 zero on the right of the given number. For example, 25 multiplied by 10 is equal to 250 and 30 multiplied by 10 is equal to 300. Rule 2. To multiply a given number by 100, insert 2 zeros on the right of the given number. For example, 75 multiplied by 100 equal to 7500. 50 multiplied by 100 equal to 5000. Rule 3. To multiply a given number by 1000, insert 3 zeros on the right of the given number. For example, 8 multiplied by 1000 equal to 8000 and 33 multiplied by 1000 equal to 33,000. Multiplication by 20, 30, 40 and so on. To multiply a given number by 20, 30, 40 and so on, we multiply the given number by 2, 3, 4 and so on respectively and put a zero to the right of the product. For example, 13 multiplied by 20 is equal to 13 multiplied by 2 into 10. We will multiply 13 and 2 together and then again by 10. Then we will get 26 multiplied by 10 and after that we will get the final answer 260. Similarly, 42 multiplied by 40 equal to 42 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 10. Again we will multiply 42 and 4 together and after that multiplied by 10. Then we will multiply 168 by 10 and finally we will get our answer 1680. Now dear students, let us learn multiplication with carrying. Multiply 563 by 3. Firstly, we will multiply the ones. 3 multiplied by 3 equal to 9. Write 9 under the ones column. Then multiply the tens. 6 into 3 equal to 18. Write 8 under the tens column and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Multiply the hundreds. 5 into 3 equal to 15 plus 1 is equal to 16. Write 6 in the hundreds column and 1 under the thousands column. So the product is 1689. Multiplication by two-digit numbers. For example, multiply 936 by 23. Firstly, multiply 936 by 3, then by 20. Thus, the product is 21,528. Now, dear students, I hope you nicely understood the concept of multiplication. Now, try to solve the problems from your book. Thank you.